Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at a beard oil and a beard butter from Boston Beard Company. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, gear reviews, you've come to the right place. Take the first step and click that subscribe button. Today we're going to be taking a look at a beard oil, beard butter combo from Boston Beard Company. So Boston Beard Company is ran by a guy named Mike. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, if you do not know anything about Boston Beard Company or Mike over at Boston Beard Co., then you need to get over. I will drop a link in the description to his Instagram. You got to get over there and follow Mike on Instagram on Boston Beard Company. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you can check out all his videos that he puts out there. He's doing unboxing videos. He is also doing some motivational videos, and you got to watch them. So definitely get over there, give him a thumbs up, give him a follow, and check him out over there. So today we're going to be taking a look at Churchill, the scent that he has for beard oil and beard butter. So comes in an amber, the oil comes in an amber glass dropper top bottle with that awesome Boston skyline there. Check that out. Oil and water resistant labels. All it has is the scent name and the company name. That is all that's on the bottle. Your butter comes in a tub like this, glass amber tub with the Churchill on there as well, Churchill butter. So we're going to talk about both of these today, and I got me a cheat sheet because he don't have anything listed on here. So let's talk about the oil first. The oil ingredients: argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, and essential / fragrance oils. The butter ingredients: beeswax, shea butter, kokum butter, argan oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, essential and fragrance oils for scent. Now, these two, according to Mike over at Boston Beard Company, the scent profile on Churchill is sweet apple, Kentucky bourbon, and leather. That's the scent profile on these. Let's see what I get. Now I can tell you, I've been using these I bought this combo a couple weeks ago. I used them for my week to test, and then I've been using them periodically since then. So scent on this, let's do the test here. It comes in at a yellowish color, and it is, in my opinion, on the lighter side. Scent. First thing that hits me is the sweetness. I get that sweet, I get a little bit of that apple, but then I get that leather. And I don't get a whole lot of bourbon when I get this out of bottle. So let's do this. It settles, it kind of settles that leather. Still get the sweetness, and I get a hint of bourbon, but it's a clean, crisp. It is very crisp. It'll bite you, and it's a good scent. Oil alone lasted me 6-7+ hours, easy. The butter, my favorite thing about this container is that. First time I've seen this, it's a little cover that goes on here. To me, it just helps protect this butter. When I open it, I just drop it in the lid, and then when I screw the lid back on, it goes right back on there. So that's awesome for these containers. Now the butter, you can see it's kind of a yellowish tint with that beeswax. It's a little more subtle. And I can tell you, out of the butter, I get a little bit more of that. bourbon, and a touch more apple than I do the leather. This isn't as strong leather as the oil is. The oil, in my opinion, is super strong on the leather, but this butter is not. So they work really well together. I get, when I wore both of these together, I had a good scent duration of 7 to 8 hours. Easy, hands down. Put it on in the morning, went to work, didn't do anything, got home and could still smell hints of this combination. Now, in my opinion, like I said, the butter is a little more subtle and it has a little bit of a twist on different notes, but the oil by itself lasted for a while. I recommend Churchill. I recommend you pick up the combination of oil and butter. And just to throw out some prices, the oil on Boston Beard Co.'s website, the oil is $18.99. The butter by itself is $21.99. Or you can pick up the combo, like I did, of both for $30. So you can easily save some money by getting that combo. And if you're a oil only guy, I still recommend the combo because you get you a butter to wear at night. So definitely look into Boston Beard Company. I've got to try some of his other scents, but this is super awesome. Let's get a little bit here. I don't want to waste any. I've actually got this in today. So there's a little bit of the butter and it just breaks down and emulsifies. And again, it's exactly the same that I smelt in the tub. You get a little bit of all three of them in the butter. Get over, check them out. I'll put links to all their information in the description below. Let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.